Hello everyone, this is Zhongya. This is a full automatic label slitting machine production line, which is used for automatically slitting small row of labels and can meet the needs of the efficient production of label paper. The labels are widely used in many fields, such as catering system, POS system in the shopping mall, telecom communication system, and the medical systems. Let's see what is special about it. This fully automatic label slitting machine production line adopts the high-speed 4-axis linkage design structure. You don't need to stop it during the process of switching rows, which can run continuously with a maximum operation speed of 150 meters per minute. The machine automatically completes the process of putting on tube core, slitting, rewinding, tail labeling, and unwinding, which greatly improves production efficiency. An insert pressure paper structure is used between the label and the core, and no glue is required. The end of the small row is sealed with a detachable label, which means there is no glue at the inside and the outside of the product to prevent the product from being contaminated by glue and also save the cost. After the product is cut, it's automatically entered the packing machine for packing. The entry process of this selling product line from the base row to the finished product packing does not require personnel to participate, and it is fully automated. On the whole, the mechanical parts of the whole machine are all finely grounded and electrical plated, and the double wall panel structure is adopted, which can ensure the smooth and high-speed operation of the machine. In operation, we use imported PLC and touchscreen control, which is simple and quick to operate, and the system is very stable and reliable. The machine is equipped with a high-precision encoder, which can be produced according to the number of the label or the meter of the products to meet the various needs in the production process. Faces the different roll paper size. This automatic label slitting machine production line can also easily to solve them. The machine is designed to increase the winding space with the maximized feeding width of 500 millimeters and the maximized wind diameters of 1000 millimeters, which can minimize the frequency of the winding and the numbers of downtime. The winding operation is simple and fast, which greatly shortens the time in changing rows and maximizes the production efficiency. If there is an irregular paper roll offset during the operation, you don't need to worry because our automatic label slitting machine has an automatic correction function during the operation, and the correction responds to the flexible, safe, and reliable, which can ensure the rhythm, smoothness of the base paper operation, and fully realize automated production without manual inspection. This is the part of the packing machine mentioned above, where the packing of the finished product is completed. The PVC heatsink film packing method is suitable for packing products of different widths and height. It is seamlessly connected with the sealing parts, and the products automatically enter the packing process. This set of automatic label slitting machine production line realizes high efficiency and high quality production. If you encounter any problems during the production process, you can always contact our after-sales service. We are always happy to answer you. This is Zhongya fully automatic label slitting machine production line, which is high-tech mechanical equipment that can achieve high quality and fully automatic production. If you also need to solve the problem of automatic label production, please call the number below and contact us.